Hello guys, and in today's video we are going to make an extension wings for my mobile miter saw station. So I start this project a while ago on Twitch, and now I'm going to finish it. I cut the vase out of 10mm plywood. I use some spacer to put the hinges in place and pre-drill the holes and put some screws. And attach the vase to the sides of the table. Now I'm cutting the support for the wings with a triangular shape. I'm going to put 2 hinges on each support. And screw it to the side of the table. Now I'm cutting the parts for making a platform that is going to be at the same height of my miter saw. I'm going to assemble it with my nail gun. Also, I built a back fence where I can put the cheese truck that I bought from Banggood. On the support I install a leveling block with a threaded insert and a mechanical screw that I'm going to use to level the platform to the miter saw. I screw the platform to the base. Now I'm installing the T-track, so I pre-drill the holes with a self-centering bit and screw it in place. After a little bit of sanding, I apply some beeswax. And for the final touches, I install the measuring tape and the project is done. So guys, thanks for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video and don't forget to subscribe and put a thumbs up. I will see you in the next one. Bye!